Drop the roof and let the smoke clear.
Oh my god.
Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wasn't mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30.
So I'm trying to hurry up and get dressed. Ooh, it is really cool in here. Get ourselves together. Look how you looking. Get ourselves together so that we can go to this photo shoot. I have to put balloons in my car. Oh my god, I need to blow up that one balloon. Jody went and got me a #1 balloon this morning before he had to go to work. You gotta let me go, buddy. Okay. All right. He is not camera shy whatsoever. Okay. So let me blow up this one balloon. Oh my god, it's gonna take me forever to blow this up. Look how big it is. Oh my god. Look how big this balloon is. It's gonna take me forever. The whole 20 minutes I have to get ready is what it's gonna take me. Good thing I don't need to get ready. I'm pretty much dressed, so let's do this. I wish I had a it's working.
We ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna be.
My arms are so tired. The fuck. Okay, finally made it to the mall, and guess what? I forgot his stroller. When I tell you I am stressed, like I need to carry all this shit inside. I really don't know why I just put this on because it looks weird. My nose is dry. My face is dry. It's... Let me figure out how I'm gonna get all this shit in the store. Oh my gosh. And carry him without a motherfucking stroller.
We don't stutter till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna.
Oh, okay, here's his shirt, and it's so cute. My mommy made it. I'm sweating bullets. It's only 1:37. Let's see if I can. Okay, thanks, mama. Okay, so we have like 10 minutes before his shoot. We just came to JCPenney's, girl. We didn't do anything super duper elaborate or try to find a photographer. Like I tried, but oh boy, I tried to look for a photographer, but it just was not easy. Because when I search for a photographer, I just don't want like any photographer. I tried to, especially if I'm gonna outsource like that, I want to find a black photographer. It's hard to search for something like that on social media. So I just googled and clicked on the first thing, which was JCPenney. I ain't never in my life done a JCPenney's pictures session before. I have no idea how much it costs. I just booked it. Okay. So we're here. yeah, hopefully it comes out okay. This little lip combo was trash. I don't know why I did this. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in a little bit, hopefully. When we start taking the pictures, okay? Bye-bye. Finally back from the photo thing. It's like 5 o'clock. I'm just editing my picture. I'm just editing my picture for today's what you call it? Today's, what am I trying to say? Today's vlog. So I'm about to post that. These pictures came out so cute. Like, I cannot wait to share them. They look so good. I want to show y'all something though. Yes, I ordered this, okay? Will I get another one? I don't think so, but I'm satisfied with this. At least I think I am. Let's hope I am, because there's no refund. Look. One thing about me, if I want a bag, I'ma get it. Let's see what she's looking like. Oh, I got the cobalt blue. Isn't that cute? I saw somebody say that they was ugly, but I don't think these are ugly. Let me see. Okay, yeah, my phone fit in here. So pretty. But yeah, once I stretch it out and stuff, it's gonna look good. Okay, look how cute that is. Ooh, I love me a blue. If I had to pick a color that was my favorite, because I don't consider black or white colors, blue would be my favorite. Okay, so let's put her up. We do have to go back to the store. I just had to run home because I didn't realize it was gonna take so long and he needed a bottle. So now we gotta go back out so that I can get us something for dinner. What is going on with this piece of hair? I want to make, I saw Aaliyah's face make crab cakes the other day, and I want some. I have not made crab cakes in a while, and let me tell you something, I'm feeling like I gotta have it. So yeah, we're gonna go and get the stuff for crab cakes. I don't know what I want to make with the crab cake stuff. Should I just do fries? Crab cakes and fries? Crab cakes and I don't know. You ready to go to the store? That's a yes. Y'all, the night is over. I just took my shower. Floor is knocked out. We just looked at his pictures. They came out so good. Like, I can't wait to share them. But really quick, before I went to bed, something happened with my mom as she was leaving the store, and basically, like, there was a girl involved, and I don't want to say girl, she's like the same age as my mom, or my mom thinks they were about the same age. She like was losing it, right? It was basically just like a little accident that happened in the parking lot or whatever, but she was freaking out. She was like, she was late to her new job and she didn't want to be here anymore. Like, just what seemed like really overwhelmed with life, and that she just wished it was over. And my mom pretty much like calmed her down and told her that, you know, what had happened wasn't a big deal, and that they were both still here unharmed, and that they were supposed to meet because I had so many things in common, like ridiculously. So it's just, the lady felt better, but it's just crazy to think like who you can run into and who you can touch. Because the lady was okay afterwards, but it's just crazy. Like, you never know who you're gonna meet. Sometimes you'll be like a blessing to somebody without even realizing it. I'm gonna just leave you with that. Good night.